Okay, this is Rex, W1REX, and this is the final video for building the Rockmite 2++. I've got the assembled board here. I've got a little straight key, and I got it hooked up to my nice QRP power meter with a built-in dummy load. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn this thing on. Now I'm running barefoot. So I'm just going to put the key in my hand and power down. Oops, guess what? You notice it was actually sending some code because it thought that I had a paddle set in, so I can see that I didn't push it all the way in. Okay, now one of the leads is shorted, and it will say on power up that it was a straight key plugged in. So now if I put the key down, I get a steady key down, and I'm reading, it's on a 1 watt scale. I'm reading 600 and about 650 milliwatts. Okay, so I'm going to do something that's barefoot now. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take this transistor out. Remember, I put it in a socket so we can do this. Here's a 2219, and I'm going to plug that in. I haven't done anything to it other than plug in a 2219. Now, these are hard to get a hold of. I happen to have some. You know, they went VIA the dodo bird, but they're out there. You can find them at a flea market or online. Okay, so that's plugged in there. So without any other changes, turn the unit on, key down, and I'm getting 820, a little over 800 milliwatts out. So I got an extra 150 milliwatts power using a 2219. So that just goes to show you can poke around with a different transistor. If you get one that's hotter, you can get higher output power. So that is that's it. She works, she walks, she talks. So now I can turn it off. Right here, turn it off. I'm going to take the front connector out. Whoops, I just made that. My key got unscrewed, and here's the case for it. I'll put it in the case. And this one, the key jack was just a little bit off to one side, so I have to sort of coax it in there a little bit. Okay, so there she is in the case, and again I'll plug in the power. I'll plug my key in, and turn it on. You can see the power on indicator on the right there. See the power on, power off, power on, and there is 800 milliwatts coming out of that kit. So there you go. There's a Rockmite 2++. Of course, I've got the rock topper amplifier that'll plug into that, and you'll get your full 5 watts if you want it, if you need it. I didn't put a back panel on this. I didn't have one here in my shooting gallery. So but you can put the back panel on. A friend of mine found some thumb screws for the back, so to take it on and off at will to change the band modules. It's you can find the thumb screws on Amazon. I'll put a link on the website. They're too expensive for me to put in a kit and charge everybody. But there you go. There it is. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.